Hello guys. So, napanood natin kagabi, Randy Orton versus John Cena for the last time for the undisputed WWE Championship. Although nanalo nga si John Cena, pero nag-interrupt dito si R-Truth, no? So, after ng match, parang steady lang si John Cena. Parang nare-realize na parang meron na siyang mali na sa ginagawa niya. He's becoming a monster of his own self. Tas after nun, parang siyang umiyak pagka labas siya ng ring. So ito na yung sign. This is a sign that maybe we will get a John Cena face turn. Magiging baby face ulit si John Cena when before he retires. Okay? Now, alam natin, John Cena hanggang December na lang si John Cena. No? Pero, 'di ba, like, what if maging babyface si John Cena bago siya mag-retire? Napakagandang moment na yun. It will finally, John Cena will realize his old self. The John Cena we knew and loved for 25 years. The hustle, the loyalty, the respect, character. The fans who've been cheering John Cena, the super babyface John Cena, the Superman John Cena that we knew and loved for 25 years of our entire lives as a wrestling fan. So I think baka lang magiging babyface si John Cena dito bago siya mag-retire kasi may like a little bit slight chance John Cena will become a babyface before he retires. Now, we're on May right now. So, next month, it's June. So, we only have June, July, August, September, October, November. Right? June, July, October, November, December. We only have 5 months before John Cena retires. So, I think before December, John Cena will be turning as a babyface. So, ano masasabi niyo dito? Baka may slight chance na maging babyface si John Cena. Let me know in the comments below. And for more wrestling news, gaming news, and lifestyle vlogs, follow niyo na ako dito sa TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, guys. Peace out.